Hello, my name is Julie O'Quinn, and I'm going to present to you a screencast about virtual worlds. Virtual worlds are to enhance instruction. Things that I'm going to kind of go over is I'm going to overview exactly what a virtual world is. I'm a relative advantage of using virtual worlds in the classroom and how to implement these concepts and provide some examples. A virtual world is a computer-based online community environment. It is designed and shared by individuals so that they can interact a custom-built simulated world. They also interact with each other in the simulated world by using text-based two-dimensional or three-dimensional models called avatars. Today's virtual worlds are built for entertainment, social, educational, training, and various other purposes. And all virtual worlds are interactive. They enables the users to explore the intrinsic benefits of socialization and allows them to study human nature and users' ability. There's 3D virtual learning environments are far more than mere games. Some relative advantages are that they have the potential to engage students. They personalize curriculum and develop critical thinking and problem solving. They incorporate the SAMR model, and redefinition is the basis to most of it, not all virtual environments. It also gives students a one-of-a-kind learning experience. Creating virtual worlds requires students to use redefinition not only to create new tasks, but to create a new interactive scenario. Virtual worlds allow for collaboration opportunities where groups of people can build together. And this is typically done through a chat programs for communication, and some even have voice tools where users can talk in live time. And the implementation is that effective virtual worlds allow the learner to visualize or enact learning scenarios through active engagement. One implementation method is that teachers can set up virtual classrooms where students meet, talk, and collaborate. With a variety of multimedia, and all this is globally accessible. It gives teachers the ability to teach one-to-one or one-to-many. The importance of virtual worlds is interactivity rather than immersion. Simply means that students learn by doing in this environment. And then one best thing that virtual environment is that they allow the user to build and create. This can include subjects as health, safety, medicine. You can use it in museums, runway shows, physicians, dentist, office, physics. And users can also create re-image works of art and virtually reproduce historic architecture. They also almost all virtual environments have custom built avatars that allow users to extend their self-expression. Most worlds are easy to navigate, which seems to make it a far better user experience and improve learning motivation. And using virtual worlds, teacher can best serve as facilitators in the discovering process rather than problem solvers. I'm going to give you a few examples. For instance, a virtual world that is available, it is called Second Life, and it's the virtual environment is designed for ages 13 and up. It has a sense of place and has easily accessible tools for near instant content creation. Second Life can be used as problem-based learning for small groups, student-created demonstrations of understanding. You can also have a global audience for your students to open up to. And then my next example would be Unity. And Unity is a virtual world simulation, and it's primarily games. You can create avatars and scripted objects. This is used by the U.S. military in a very upscale way to create simulations such as pre-trained soldiers for dealing with dangerous or problem situations without actually putting them into harm. And did you know that the U.S. Department of Education is supporting Unity games based on educational tools? And then my last example would be Minecraft. And Minecraft is a popular game with uh, younger elementary age students on up. Um, they use virtual environments for learning. Children are engaged, they collaborate, problem solve, and you can go to minecraft.edu and it can be hosted on a school server. And it is a great way to get an education based setup with support. For more information on virtual worlds, you can look at these websites and download some more information with these links right here.